In this tutorial, we're going to work on our keyword research. And you're going to start off by clicking business because this is a business craft. In your business profile, you'll see all of the things that we can start to do. Here we're going to click our new craft above here and click keyword set. From here, we have a few different options. On our keyword set research goal, we want to give Craftify some information, and you have 3 different types of goals to understand about your keyword researching. So we're going to first start off with looking for keyword ideas based on a single keyword. With this one, we can just pop in one keyword that's important to us, like artisan cookies, and click next. From here, we're going to see all of the related keywords based on that information, and then also a lot of research on every single one of these. So it's a great way to start off finding out what the most important keywords are based off of that one keyword. So finding more keywords to help you with your own SEO. Craftify has your back on that. We're going to go ahead and click next because we're going to go ahead and see some question keywords based off of the same ones from above. And then also some transactional keywords. We'll see here, we also have all of this information based on of these keywords that make it important for us to use on our website. We're going to go ahead and click done. We'll find that we've started this one craft on understanding our generic keywords based off of one keyword that we've created. Now I'm going to go ahead and make a second keyword set craft to show you how the other pieces work. Now, we can use keywords relevant to a website as well, or we could also get stats on keywords that we're already using. So a few keywords that I'm already using is cookies, Vancouver, custom cakes, artisan bakery. Click enter to make sure all of those will pop in there. Either you can separate them with commas and click enter at the end, or you can click enter between each of the keywords that you'd like to pop in. You have a lot of space here, up to 2,000 characters, so you can add as many keywords to this as you'd like. Go ahead and click next, and we're going to start to see our keyword statistics. Craftify is so fast, it works so easily. From here, we can see all of our keyword statistics, scrolling through and realize that cookies is a really high one with a volume of 208,000. Coming through here, we've got a lot of information on where we can also see these keywords being used. It's a great way to start to get an idea of which keywords are going to be the most important for your business for you to get started and using those in your SEO strategy and all of your marketing. Now, what's nice about this is you can save these keyword sets for the future, and when you're working on a Craftify craft, you can use these keywords inside of your craft, so automatically you don't have to do a lot of work with these. You've already started the process by giving Craftify that list of keywords, and you can start to use these immediately in your crafts, and Craftify will use them automatically and put it all the way through all of the copy that we help create. We're going to go ahead and click done. These are just 2 of the options that you can see from creating our keywords. These are the keywords that I popped in there, and you can always come back, copy these, use them as HTML, and see all of that information in your finished crafts.